All right, good morning, class. Hope you guys had a good night. Today we want to be talking about the distance to the stars and what we know about our stars. So today we're going to mainly focus on the distance. We measure distance not by using miles and kilometers, because the numbers in these distances get so large. I don't know if you remember in class we tried to show you the distance to the moon, and if we drew a circle about the size of a beach ball in our classroom, the moon would be close to Miss Bertrusso's class. And then you have to get to Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. The numbers get so astronomical, we have to do a new type of unit. So they actually created a thing called a light year. Light year is a unit of distance, not a unit of time. Okay, we can do a light year, a light minute, a light second, but basically those are the the distance light travels in that time frame. So a light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. For that happens to be that number, 9,460,000,000,000,000 kilometers away in 1 year. Okay, a light minute is the time that takes a light to go in 1 minute, and a light second is the time it takes light to go in 1 second. Okay, so to get to the moon, it takes light about 1 second to get to the moon. To get to the Earth, it takes from the sun to the Earth, it takes light about 8 minutes and 26 seconds. That means if the sun blew up today, right now, we wouldn't see it for another 8.5 minutes. Okay, to get from light from the sun to the edge of our solar system is going to take about 5 hours to get there. To go from our sun to our nearest star at the speed of light, it's going to take 4.3 years to get there. To get across our entire galaxy at the speed of light, 100,000 years just to get across our galaxy. Now don't forget, there's about 20 billion galaxies out there, and we're just one of those. So 100,000 light years to get across our one galaxy, and then we have all the other galaxies out there. Here's an idea to give you some idea about the speed of light. Okay, we did that. Earth to the moon, about 8 seconds. The Earth to Mars, 12.7 light minutes. To our closest star, 4.3. To our edge of our galaxy, 52,000 light years. But here is how long it would take us at our current speeds. If we were driving a car at 55 miles an hour, to get to the closest star, it's going to take us 50 million years to get there, to get to our closest star. If we had our spacecraft that took us to the moon, that was one of the fastest we have, it's going to take us 900,000 years to get to the closest star. And our fastest spacecraft ever designed, which was the Voyager 2 spacecraft, moving at 37,000 miles an hour, that's going to take us 80,000 years just to get to the next star. And in our galaxy, there's about 20 billion stars in our galaxy. That's how large our system is. Now, try to zoom out. Here are some ideas of what we're looking at. You got the sun, the Oort cloud, which is the edge of our solar system. Then you got 2 light years, 4 light years to get to the next of our closest neighbors, 6 light years to get to our local group. Those are just really big distances. Now, I do want you to watch a video, okay? And I want you to watch the video watch this guy build a massive solar system in the desert by the National Geographic. And I'll try to give you an idea at least about the sheer size of our solar system. Hope you guys have a great day.